As you know, by default, because we're comparing for username text, the case sensitivity, it does matter. For example, here, allow me to make it large. Alex and Alex, I don't want to make it too correct, undo that. Or Alex, or Alex, and so on, they are different. To compare it, actually, we have very simple solution. You could make everything, any data with text box, make it uppercase, everything capitalized, or use lowercase to make it small, and then simply compare together. Because on username, case sensitivity is not important. So I'm going developer, Visual Basic, or press Alt or Option F11 and do that. But better, instead of making one code here, first set inside of one variable. So I say dim str username as a string. Then I say str username equal to this one, textbox2.text, and then compare it here. Str username here, f was Alex. It's still the same, but we have two functions for that. You could use LCase for make everything lowercase, or use UCase to make everything uppercase. Depends on you. If I set something like that, UCase, you have to type everything here also uppercase, something like that. Allow me to check it. Now let's try it. I write Alex, something like that, and password 123. Let's try. Yep, it is working. Run again. This time Alex 123. Again working. Or I could use LCase for lowercase and type everything here small, Alex. Again. Now comparison, Alex 123. Yep, it is working. Allow me to change it something to that. No, it's not gonna disable because we'll log them once. Okay, and even everything capitalized, 123. Again, maybe Alex 123, and there it is. It is working fine.